Alright, today we're going to try Spadafora Dark. Fairly new for me. I've had it for a couple of years. First year it didn't do much. Second year it produced, but it dropped them. But this year they're holding, everything is in place. It's a fairly good tree. We do have one down here. That seems to be very nice. Let's go ahead and take it off. Very pleasantly plump. Very loose. Let's break it off. And eye is nice and tight, no leakage happening, no oozing, and I like the color of this actually. It's very purplish and not bad. No sap on it obviously, so it's well done, ready to go. So let's take a bite into it and see what comes of it. Sweet, smooth. The skin is not chewy, and I don't taste the cherry though in here. I don't know how to describe it. Not a bad fig though. I wouldn't say top tier either, but it's definitely a good one that I wouldn't mind keeping it. If the taste holds like it is, it's definitely well worth it. Really good taste. And there's a little bit of seed crunch, not too much. Let's see. Yeah, this one I'm keeping. It's a good one. Not bad. Actually, I would keep it. Yes, definitely. All right, that's it.